Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to the Raw Soups. I know the name is a little deceiving because we all consider or relate to a soup as a warm and comforting dish. But I can promise you one thing, that each one of these dishes will be very comforting, and guess what, you can actually have it warm too. That's right, technically speaking, if we don't cook our food over 44 degrees Celsius, it is still considered raw. The reason is that at this temperature, even if you touch something that is at this temperature, you don't burn yourself, you feel it's just lukewarm. So the same thing happens with the food, the nutrients in our food, the enzymes in our food, that when we cook it under this temperature, none of these nutrients or enzymes are destroyed, and that's why the food is considered raw, because we are still getting all that high density nutrients from that food. I'm going to share various recipes. Within each recipe, I'm going to tell you how to enjoy this soup warm in winters. Otherwise, in summers, I just love to serve them chilled. So why raw soups? When I switched to a healthy vegan diet, I was mostly eating fruits and salads because I wanted to take more of raw foods because, of course, of their high nutrient value and healing properties as well. But I really got bored of eating salads every day, and I was looking for alternatives, and that's when I came across raw soups, and I instantly fell in love with them because they were so much more satisfying. I could have a bowl of salad with a side of a soup, and it felt like a complete dish, and it was just much more satiating than just eating a bowl of salad. Another advantage of this, apart from the high nutrient content, is that because these are liquefied, half the work is actually done by your blender. So when you eat them, they are actually a lot easier for the body to digest. So especially with people who are not used to eating a lot of raw foods, or sometimes you have digestive issues that when you all of a sudden switch to a raw diet, then it doesn't suit you and people get gastric issues and some other issues. So all of that is not the case here because it's been processed by your blender, and they are a lot easier on the system. And another advantage is there are a lot of people who cannot sit and chew on a bowl of salad because it does take very long. People are busy in this fast life, so drinking a soup makes a huge difference, and it's very helpful for them as well. I've developed recipes that are inspired from various cultures, and what I've done is I've made them raw, I've made them vegan, and I've used ingredients that are readily available almost everywhere. So I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun trying these recipes.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want more tips and healthy recipes, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram.